You don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola if it's your first time here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a very detailed video on how I flat twist my hair. I know a lot of people struggle with flat twisting, so I decided to do a more detailed tutorial that would help you guys out. So these are just the tools I'm going to be using. I love to use Shine and Jam, and I also use some clips just to keep my hair out of the way. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some rough parts at the front just to demonstrate what I want to do before I go ahead and start the actual style. So now I'm just clipping away the rest of my hair so it doesn't bother me, and then I'm going to fully detangle my hair. You want your hair to be as detangled as possible so it doesn't tangle. Now for the actual flat twisting process, you want to separate like a little piece of hair at the front to start with, and then you want to make that into two pieces and then twist. Now, the idea of a flat twist is that every time you twist hair, you're going to add some more hair from the back into that bottom section right there. As you can see, I'm just using my other hand to help me to separate it and then add some hair. And every time I twist, I'm just going to take some more hair from the back section, add it to the bottom section of hair, and then twist. And then there's a section without hair. I'm going to add some more hair from the back section, and then I'm going to twist. So this is basically the process of flat twisting. You're doing a regular twist, but every time you twist hair, you want to add some of the hair from the rest of the section into your twist until you're actually done. So I just want you guys to try and pay attention to this. I'm going to demonstrate about 2 other times, and then I believe you should be good to go when it comes to flat twisting your hair.
Yes, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time.
Now I'm just going to demonstrate on this section again, but this time I'm going to show you guys how I actually flat twist using my thumb and my index finger. So as you can see, I start with that section in front and I twist. But now every time my index finger goes through that space, I'm going to use it to pinch some more hair from the back section. And then I'm going to use my other index finger to separate it, and then I'm going to continue twisting. So as you can see, both your index fingers always end up entering the same space, sort of, because I'm just using my index finger and my thumb to kind of like pinch through the hair. So now as I've pinched, I'm using my other index finger and thumb to twist the other section of hair. I really feel like this is very difficult to explain. I'm not even going to lie. But if you watch what I'm doing, you'll find that it's very, very easy. So like I said, I'm using my index finger and thumb to just pinch and twist the hair. And my other index finger and thumb is separating the hair from the back section and twisting as well. When you get to the end, as always, you just want to continue doing a regular twist. Also, the tighter you do your flat twist, then the neater it's going to end up. So now I'm just going to show you guys how to do one going straight back. Again, I started with a piece in front that I split into 2. And now every time I twist, I'm just going to take a section from the back and add it to the lower piece. So as you can see, there's always going to be a piece that hair has not been added to. So whenever you twist, that piece is going to be the one at the back. You're going to just take some more hair and add it to it and then twist. So I'm showing you guys that process right here again, just so you can see. I'm doing this twist quite loose just to demonstrate the entire process. So it's not going to come out as neat as I would like. But now you guys can see that I'm just going to repeat the same process, but I'm going to make it a lot tighter, and I'm doing my index finger and thumb to just like pinch and twist and grab more hair and pinch and twist. So yeah, this is basically how I flat twist my hair. I'm just using my index finger, as you can see, to grab some hair, pull it out, and then use the other finger to twist. So it's a really easy process. I feel like practice makes perfect. Just part your hair in various ways and just try to flat twist. Over time, you see that it will just come naturally to you. I never had to like sit down and actually learn. I just got the hang of it from seeing other people do it. So it's pretty easy. At this back section here, I kind of noticed that I was using my thumb and my middle finger to twist instead. I didn't even know that I did that until I watched this video. But yeah, I guess you can alternate the fingers that you're using. You just need 2 fingers on each of your hands to do the whole flat twist. So you can see how gorgeous that flat twist is. Now I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys this other section that I did, because you can flat twist to any direction you like. be it to the left, to the right, forward, backward, whatever. Once you get a hang of it, you'll be good to go. So now I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this cute protective style, and I think it really looked very professional because I took my time with the parts and everything. I'm just using a bit of shine and jam just to get my parts going so they look very crisp and neat. Like I said, you also want to make sure your hair is fully detangled because you don't want to be twisting and then running into tangles. So you guys can see me just doing that flat twist method that I just taught you, and then when I get to the end, I just detangle my hair and I twist it up, and that's my first section, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the entire process on my head. I love flat twists, you guys. They're such a versatile hairstyle because I feel like you can wear them in as flat twists, and then when you're tired, you can obviously take them down and it will become like a really nice fluffy flat twist out. So hope you guys understood this process. I feel like I suck at explaining how to do things, but if you just slow down the video a bit and you watch, I feel like you'll be good to go.
What's your name? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. What's your name? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him.
So now that I'm done with all of the flat twists, there was a part in front that wasn't a bit straight. I went off camera and corrected it, but this is what my hair looks like. I'm just going to be using some setting lotion just to set my hair, since I didn't use any gel and I wanted it to look sleek, you know, and have like really nice hold. Just using that setting lotion to like go over my hair. Then I tied my hair down overnight. This is the next day. I did my makeup. I've cleaned up that part, by the way, and you guys can see how lovely this hairstyle looks. I just put it into a bun at the back, and now I'm just going to oil my scalp just so it's nice and shiny. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I want you guys to let me know in the comments what you think about this tutorial. Let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if I was able to explain the whole flat twist process well enough, and please don't forget to go practice on yourself and let me know how that goes as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.